Trying to dig through. I'm trying to dig through these errors. Maybe they're not errors, they're warnings. No, I do not post NSFW. Don't worry. I don't even have Discord. You don't need to chat me via errors. I did not run anything. And there's pretty much not to do anything other than open the fresh memes folder and get lots of PNGs of memes. Oh, and don't open Microsoft Edge on this simulator. Does it even work? Can't change the URL. All it says is https://net. That's all it says. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it.